I'm Lee Clark from Porthgain Shellfish, full-time fisherman here out of Porthgain. Go out, catch crabs, lobsters, spider crab in the summer months and whelks occasionally. And what we do here at Porthgain Shellfish then is bring the catch ashore, process it ourselves, and then sell it off to the general public, catering trade from our website then. It was something we've been playing with the idea for years of setting up this shellfish business. But through Cywain it's definitely helped and benefited with the guidance and the support, and the mentoring and the advice and everything is the main thing. Especially the mentoring, has been very helpful to us. It's definitely speeded up the process of something that would have taken us a lot longer to do ourselves. Our future plans for Porthgain Shellfish is hopefully to build up our web sales, supply more shellfish to the UK instead of it all going off to the continent. That's our main aim. How big we'll go is something time will tell. But hopefully, we can sell a large proportion of our stuff to the UK market.